Understanding Weather by Meher and Akshay. There are three types of clouds. Cumulus, which is when there are regular clouds and you could see pictures, I should say. Cirrus is where they are big and stretched out. And stratus is when you're usually expecting storms. There are four types of air masses: maritime, tropical, polar, and continental. Tropical when it's humid and moist. Maritime is when it's just moist. And continental, dry and can be cold or warm. And finally, polar, cold and dry. There are two types of fronts: cold fronts and hot fronts. Warm fronts, I should say. Warm front is when warm air is in the area and cold air comes. Cold fronts are when where the cold air and warm air comes. The example of that is example of a cold front is La Nina. Example of a hot front is El Nino. The water cycle is when the sun heats up the water and turns into water vapor or water droplet. This is called evaporation. Transpiration is when water droplets or water vapor comes from trees instead of the water, which goes on to condensation. Condensation is when the water vapor turns into clouds. Precipitation is when rain, hail, sleet, or snow falls out of a cloud because it's too heavy. Sometimes it goes on the mountains and then melts the snow, and that's called snowmelt runoff. It goes down the mountain and then onto the surface, which is called surface runoff. Then it goes into the surf, and then it goes into lakes. It goes all again. Humidity is where water vapor is hot and it's all around you. Say if the temperature is 95 degrees Celsius, it'll be partly cloudy. It'll be 80% humidity. Thanks for watching. Bye.